Hey guys, this is Kobe. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon to let you know I post another video. Today we are going to open up Hatchables. Got two of these, Real Littles, Hello Kitty. I'll open up this last, but I've opened up this before. It is Lost Kitties, and this is new to me. So let's get into this video. I'm going to open up the Real Littles. Hopefully I get new ones. Fingers crossed. How's everybody doing today? Well, I can tell you one of them I've not gotten. So I've got this one. If the camera can pick it up. It is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Can't get the camera to pick it up. And this is a new one to me. It's Pringles. Why does it not pick it up? So let's open up this. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. And just sticks back up in here. And you close it, and there's the Pringles. The next one is the ice cream. Oh, that's adorable. Look how stinking cute that is. That's so adorable. I'm not on my laptop, so it's kind of hard. My laptop's dead. So I'm going to stick this back in this. Close it. Stick them over there. I got another one. And it has, I mean, I've showed you this before, probably on my other ones, but it's got all of these lists of like what you can get on each side, and there's a lot. So my first one is Boom Chicka Pop. Boom Chicka Pop. Camera's not picking it up good. My other one is another ice cream. Oh, anyways. Open up the ice cream first. The ice cream is chocolate chip cookie dough. And it is definitely cute. back in the container. Next one. Sometimes when I open these, I like, shoot. There's this one. It's so cute. I like the little faces. Popcorn. That's what it is. And stick it back in the cute little container that it comes in. So that's all the Real Littles. Next, I'll be opening up Hello Kitty. I used to be a big fan of Hello Kitty, and I just grew out of it. Now I'm into Stitch. This is actually going to be our computer room, like behind the camera is like a window. And you got the closet over here. Then it's empty right now because we don't have like a bed and stuff worked out. So the Hello Kitty, oh, it's on the back. So on the back of the box, you can get mummy, dinosaur, zombie, ninja, pirate, mermaid, cowgirl, superhero, Rodin, and princess. Collect them all. I'm gonna drop it. And I got this one. And it's the zombie. It's adorable. Like you can like see the little Stitch back here. That's so cute. Next, I'm going to be opening up these. This is very new to me. I don't know what I like better. Like the Mini Brands videos, these videos, or the videos of me and my husband. So comment down below what video you would like to do next, or have us to do next. So it comes with this paper, and it shows you all the ones that you can collect. You can get fried dumplings. All these are Chinese. That's so cute. Sausage rolls. Let's see which one. So this is like a Chinese. And I have got a spring roll. The little spring roll. That's adorable. I'll have to get some more of these. They're so stinking cute. I'll have to get some more of those. Okay. Now we're on to the Hatchables. I done these like when I first started, like my older videos, and I never did go back to them because I kind of didn't like them. So you got 2 eggs. Oh, I broke the egg. It jumped and it scared me. So this is one of them. rub the heart from the color change. Rub the heart. This is so time consuming. Okay, so I got a blue one, and I got a green one on these, and put them back in this. I don't like Hatchels for that reason right there, is because it takes so much time and it's so annoying. That's why I don't do the Hatchels, because I don't have patience for it. So let's try this again. See, rub the little heart. I got another blue one. Yeah, that's so nice. I got an orange one. And this, I made a mess because the first one scared me. I'll probably edit that out because I dropped. Don't pay attention to that mess right there. We're still kind of organizing stuff. My last one is the most messy one of all. And it is the Lost Kitty. And these are the ones you can collect. It is itty bitty Lost Kitty kittens. So let's open up this. This is gonna be gross. Even though it's just Play-Doh, I'm not gonna like it because I don't like Play-Doh. So, right there it is, and not here. And it's just Play-Doh. I could play with slime all day, but Play-Doh, nah. I'm good. I'm good. And it stinks. So let's see what creature we got. This one. Let's see. I got this one. It's got the hula hoop. This is what she looks like. So cute. So adorable. the hula hoop contest. You got this. And that's the character. That's pretty neat. But not again. I do not like that. I probably never will. So that is it for this video. But if you want any more videos or have any suggestions, comment down below of what you want me to do next. This is K-Bay. I love you guys. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.